Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk today how can we forget Bluetooth speaker to our Poco phone. Guys, you want to forget your Bluetooth speaker to your Poco phone, so how can you forget? Today I will show you in this video. So friends, now let's see how can we forget guys Bluetooth speaker to our Poco phone. In this video friend, we will talk about. First of all guys, open your phone setting guys and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your Bluetooth setting guys, click on your Bluetooth setting, and friends, you can see guys, we have connected this JBL Go company Bluetooth speaker guys. We want to forget this speaker, so how to forget guys? Tap here right side guys, tap here guys, you can see device name. Once you want to rename your Bluetooth speaker device names, when you can rename means you can change your Bluetooth speaker device name from here. Then guys, you can see your unpair option guys, tap here means forget. Then it will forget guys, you cannot use guys, we will off it. And friends, after unpair means forget guys, you cannot use guys, you if you use, so you will have to connect again. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.